Windows offers many troubleshooting tools and methods to fix common problems. If the problem is with Windows itself and not with the malware infection or some specific piece of software or hardware, you can try to repair Windows without doing anything drastic. The tool to use is called the System File Checker, which must be run from an administrator command prompt window. Tap the Windows key, type CMDs, right-click the command prompt item and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. And there's the administrator command prompt. At the command prompt, you're going to type SFC, which is the System File Checker, a space, / and scan now as one word, all lowercase. Press Enter. The System File Checker reviews Windows files. It checks for corrupt files, missing files, and a slew of file errors, and yes, the scan is going to take quite a while to complete. After the scan, you will be alerted to any required fixes. Damaged files are repaired, missing files are replaced. Type the exit command to close the administrative command prompt window. If the problem persists, consider running the System File Checker from the Windows Recovery Console. Click the Start button, choose Power, press and hold the Shift key, and click Restart. In mere moments, the Windows Recovery Console starts. Choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt, and the system restarts again. Choose your account. Type your password. When the command prompt appears again, type the same command as shown earlier, sfc/stano. Press Enter and wait. If the System File Checker reports no errors from this command prompt but you're still experiencing problems, consider that the issues may be hardware related or caused by other software or device drivers on your computer. As a final resort, you can repair Windows, which involves reinstalling the operating system. Exit from the command prompt. Choose Troubleshoot, reset this PC. Now, I'm not going to choose this option here because it's a drastic step, but it's one that proves worthy when everything else fails.